IVM.
Hi and welcome to Smile India. I'm your host Shifa Maitra, who gets you delightful news from across India. At a time when positive is a dreaded word, these positive stories are still welcome. Some wonderful news for Indians who've left big cities during the lockdown and gone to their hometowns. The first is that Pay Nearby, a remittance provider, has created a simple registry called Job Nearby, where migrant labor have to provide their details. They have tied up with Retail Association of India and the government's Building and Other Construction Workers Bureau. More companies and banks are also joining in, so every time they need workers, they can get in touch with them instantly. The other scheme is called Initiative 2.0, and Shri Adhikari Brothers, the TV company, is helming it. Through their channels Masti, Dabang and My Boli, they are inviting talented people who've lost their jobs to showcase their talent. 1,000 of them will get a monthly fee via bank transfers, and all actors, singers, performers who enroll will get opportunities on their channels. That is indeed heartening. I know we're all missing our vacations, and it's not anytime soon that we can plan the next. But hey, there's no harm knowing about places we can go to, right? I didn't know India has 6 marine parks, and when I got to know, I just had to share it with you. Jamnagar in Gujarat has the Marine National Park, where marine life thrives between 42 kinds of coral. Birds, mangroves, and a boat ride to the park are part of the experience. The Mahatma Gandhi National Park at the Andaman Nicobar Islands, I believe, is gorgeous and spread over 12 islands. If something like an underwater tropical rainforest gets you excited, you must head to the Gulf of Mannar National Park in Tamil Nadu. You visit in a glass-bottom boat from Rameshwaram and watch the magic unfold while dolphins come to say hi. I know where I'm going next. Now, while you think you're too old to start over, look at what Harbhajan Kaur has done. She's launched a brand called Harbhajans, which makes the yummiest besan ki barfi. This venture was floated in her 90th year. She's always been an amazing cook, and when she told her daughter that she regretted the fact that she'd not earned a rupee in her life, her daughter thought of an idea where she could make barfi and sell a few boxes at the organic mandi close by in Chandigarh. The sweets sold like hotcakes, and she earned 2,000 rupees. That was 4 years ago, and now Harbhajan is going strong at 94. She's involved in the cooking herself. Both her daughters have joined the business, and under her supervision, they make and sell more items that she's an expert at. Mothers can really do what they want, right? A person who has lots of mummies loving her is a pediatrician who's making news. I'm talking about Major General Madhuri Kanitkar, who has been promoted to Lieutenant General, the first woman pediatrician in the Indian Army to reach the second highest rank. This former Dean of Armed Forces Medical College, Pune, is as excited about her work as she was on day one, and she completes 37 years in the army. What's endearing is that her husband Rajiv is also a lieutenant general, which makes them the first couple in the armed forces to achieve this. More strength to this genuine power couple. Before signing off, I have to tell you about a wonderful kind of romance that has rekindled during the lockdown. The rooftop romance. Given that going outdoors was not permitted, people spent a lot of time on the terrace and noticed others, sometimes for the first time. In our busy lives, nobody went to the terrace earlier. I would suggest you try it, not only to find romance, but even to exercise in the morning or evening, or to watch a sunrise or a sunset. Guaranteed to clear the mind. Just make sure you do not go in groups, since that defeats the purpose. If you like this podcast, don't forget to check out other interesting podcasts on IVM Network. You can listen to us on the IVM Podcast app or ivmpodcast.com. You can also follow us on our social media. We are at IVM Podcasts on Twitter and Instagram. If you want to reach out to me, it's at Shifa Maitra on Instagram and Twitter. Have fun. I'll see you in the next episode.
I hope you enjoyed that show. I'd like to thank our sponsors this week, Paytm Money and Intel. Really, really fun week, and I think that you guys should definitely check out some of the stuff we did. So we had Shifa Maitra, who is the host of the show Smile India, on the Paperback Podcast. Really fun thing. On Edges and Sledges, our hosts had an episode just amongst themselves. No guests this time. Really fun show with lots of cool banter. I think you'll enjoy that quite a bit. On Storytellers and Storysellers, Vineet had Shrishti Bell on. Shrishti is the head of Netflix in India, and I think you'll really enjoy that conversation as well. Also, do check out Uncle Please Sit. Joel and Tushar had Anuya Chatakar on. Anuya hosts the popular YouTube channel Books on Toast. And don't forget others of your old favorites like The Habit Coach, Football Should Ball, All Things Policy. All of them are doing a great job during this pandemic, and you should definitely check them out. And with that, we hope to see you again next week.
Advertising is dead. Yep, you heard me right. Advertising is dead. We're all in the content business now. Let's not call it news, TV, radio, etc., etc. It's all content, and we're in the middle of this weirdly exciting phase where all the borders and lines that have been drawn over decades has been swept away by this lovely thing called the internet. We're a show where we don't dwell on just the stuff that is now, but rather the wider stuff about advertising, media, content, and the whole goddamn circus surrounding it. Tune in every Tuesday for our weekly unboxing of the mystery box we used to call advertising. I'm Varun Dugirala, co-founder and content chief at The Glitch, and this is my new podcast, Advertising is Dead.